Man, this arm. All BMW have. Gang bees. That was good, man. That was a good crack.
Yeah.
Yeah, the rubber camera is the top hat.
Oh wow. Oh wow, that's pretty bad. Oh.
Are the bump stops good? Ooh, probably should have got them as well.
Who cares?
No. Yeah, shot them all over.
Look at the state of this.
Look at that.
Like.
Try break it right now.
Oh my god.
It's gonna break when I spin off the.
It is, yeah.
It's crumbling in my hand.
The nut anyway.
Let me try compress this. Just compress this now. So
Do one finger, man.
No fluid in it.
It's just sad.
Just stuck.
How does that happen though?
So as you can see, that definitely shouldn't be like that. Some freshy shocks. Might put in their old shit. And all we have left is put on the wheels. We doing the locket or no?
YOLO. 5 minutes. Oh god. Non-cinematic.
Just drop it.